Hey everyone, welcome back to new video and subscribe to our channel. And now today in this video I'll tell you how you guys can install the Harvester into your computer or any machine. I'm using Kali Linux. First of all, you have to do sudo su. Once you are root, then you have to type the command sudo apt install the Harvester, and it will install the Harvester. The H in the Harvester should be small. Okay, and now as you can see, it is installing Harvester and it is successfully installed. Now subscribe to our channel. Our goal is 400 subscribers. Now to start the Harvester, you have to type the command the Harvester, but you will see that this command is depreciated, which means this is not, this command will not work, and you have to type the Harvester, which H would be capital. Now here are some options how you can run. -d means domain, on which domain you want to find. L means limit, and we have also one thing which is source. So where is source? I think that is there. -d is source, and I mean like from which source you want to find. Now I'm typing domain is kali.org, limit is 500, and 500 is also a default limit, and the source I type is Google, but now I will type all. So let me type all -d all. Yeah, now it will start, and I was saying -d but it is -b sorry. And as you can see, now it started to find results. Subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.